It's been really cold here in Germany, and I know I'm not the only one who struggles to practice when the whole body feels tense and cold. That's why I created this class. You can practice this on your couch, in your bed, or wherever you are. Grab a blanket, a pillow, and comfy clothes. My name is Mary Kalender, and let's find some warmth from within together. Wrap a blanket around your shoulders or over your lap, or both, whatever makes you feel most comfortable and warm. And if you are sitting on a couch or in your bed, I recommend using a folded blanket or pillow underneath your sit bones. Cross-legged is great, but you can find another position that works for you better. Maybe your feet on the floor, especially if you're sitting on a couch or chair. For now, place one hand on your belly and one on your chest. And you can close your eyes or just find a soft gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long breath out of your mouth. Again, inhale gently. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. Notice where your body feels tense and chilly right now. No need to fix anything, just observe. Imagine a gentle warmth at the center of your chest. Could be the morning sunlight or a little fireplace. With each inhale, that gentle warmth grows a little brighter. With each exhale, it spreads through your body. Let it move into your neck and shoulders, down into your arms, hands, and every finger. Let that warmth travel down your spine, into your hips, legs, feet, and every toe. Take another deep breath in, receiving warmth. And another big breath out, softening your jaw, your face, and your belly. When you're ready, you can open your eyes again. Let's start with our neck muscles. Nod your chin up and down. No rush and no forcing here. And come back to neutral and guide your chin over to one shoulder and then the other. And keep moving. Nice, come back to center and now let your ear drop to your shoulder. And then your other ear to your other shoulder. It's a nice gentle neck release and just keep moving a few more times. Awesome. Roll your shoulders forward. And backwards. And now hug yourself very tightly, almost like you can hold on to your shoulder blades. Take a breath in. And when you exhale, squeeze as tightly as you can. Nice, and now switch. Grab tightly again. Breathe in. And exhale, squeeze. Yes, giving yourself some love and warmth. Awesome. Release. And then rub your hands briskly. Fist one hand and wrap the other hand around, and then just roll your wrist out. And change direction. And let's do this again. Wrap very fast, creating heat. Now fist your other hand, wrap it around like rock, paper, scissors, and then roll out your wrist again. And change direction. And this next one I call magic hands. You just press them forward and then bring the warmth in. And then inhale, press forward and bring it in. Exhale. And one more time, inhale. And exhale, bring it in. Awesome job. And then let's find a little twist. Bring your hand onto your knee. The other hand slightly behind you. Breathe in, elongate your spine. Exhale, twist back. And hold here for a moment. Nice, and come back forward, switch, place your hand on top of your knee, your other hand slightly behind again. Inhale, telescope your spine. Exhale, twist back. And then hold here for a moment again. Beautiful, let's warm up our spine a little more. See, losing my blanket here. Just little cats and cows. Softly rest your hands on your thighs. Inhale, mini cow. Push your heart forward and up. Roll your shoulders back and gaze up. Exhale, mini cat. Tuck your chin in. Round your spine and hollow out your belly. And just do it 2 more times. Breathe in. Widen your collarbones. Breathe out. Round. And one more. Inhale, open up. And exhale, lower your chin. Nice. Yes, a side bend. Let's do that. Wherever you can place your hand, hold on to your shoulder, breathe in. Exhale, lean over. And come back up. Place your hand down. Your other one on your shoulder, breathe in. And exhale, lean over to the other side. Awesome. Come back to center. Now let's take care of our feet and legs. Grab one foot, maybe place it on top, and just roll out your ankle. Sorry, tofu. And then change the direction. And then if your feet are cold like mine all the time, maybe just give your little toes a massage. Just getting some circulation back. Continue on your sole and heel, wherever it feels good. Maybe tap your legs if that feels good. Awesome, and let's switch. Roll the ankle first. And the other direction. And let's massage our foot again. Oops. Oh, baby. Continue on your sole and heel. Whatever you need. This is more what feels good for you. And then tap your leg. Bring some blood flow into your leg and feet. Dora. Awesome, then come back to your seated position. And bring one hand to your belly, one to your heart. And if you want, you can grab one or two affirmations I placed around myself. And then you can close your eyes. Take one more deep final breath in. And a gentle breath out. And quietly say to yourself whatever affirmations you chose. And guide your hands to your heart. To seal this practice, you may bow your head. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'd love to know where you're located and what you do to stay warm during the winter season. I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.